Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome back to another Tech Tuesday where I actually have something very exciting for you. From the title of this video, you can tell that I bought the iPhone 11 Pro. But anyways, we're going to talk about the iPhone 11 Pro and some of the superficial features that it has, because I have some more videos coming out on this for sure. All right, so let's talk about screen size. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a screen size of 6.5 inches. Now I'm coming from an iPhone 10 that has a screen resolution of 5.8 inches, so this semi feels like a tablet for me right now. The iPhone has an edge-to-edge Super XD, I'm not gonna get that right. Anyways, it has an edge-to-edge display minus the bezel, which I don't think any of us are very thrilled about that Apple has done this, but it's okay, I guess, because they've got billions of dollars to play with and, you know, whatever. Now, the color that I purchased was the midnight green. However, you can still get the phone in gold, black, and silver along with the midnight green. So the new Pro Max phone has steel plated bezels on the side, top, and bottom, as well as a matte backing. Now, to be honest with you, the matte backing, when I saw this on the screen, I wasn't 100% sure I was gonna like it because I'm so used to the shiny, glossy, chic glass that Apple's used to putting on the back of their iPhones. However, after seeing this, I love this. All I had to do was see it in person, and that was all she wrote. Now, one of the things that is important to note, if you don't put a case on this, since we're talking about the back, the cameras, and by cameras I mean all three of them, are raised on the back. So whenever you set this phone down flat, you are gonna get a rock like you always have in the past. All right, so now I just mentioned that there was 3 cameras on the phone. Yes, 3. One of the cameras is an ultra wide angle camera. The other one is a normal wide angle camera, which is the camera that has always been on the iPhone for the past several generations. And the other one is a regular telephoto lens, which has also been on there. Now, the cameras record 4K at 60 frames a second video, and it's good video.
Destroy them, they can survive in the environment for 2 years is what some research says. And so like if you bring these high-risk parts back because they have such a high dose of this prion concentrated in them, and then you throw it out on the back 40, then you just leave it out there for a source to infect other animals.
So do we keep up with records when people go out of state and hunt, and does that also impact the risk factors that we...
The phone also has a Face ID feature, which is what it's had the past couple of generations. However, I have noticed that this is a lot faster of an unlock. The only thing that does bother me is when I'm leaning over a table to unlock my phone, I still have to lean over as far. I was really hoping that it would kind of pick up from the side my face and unlock the phone, but it doesn't do that. So I guess we're gonna have to wait for that to be a thing in the next couple of years. All right, so literally this video is short, sweet, and to the point. I just wanted to make this video so that I can show you that although I made a video talking about the kitchen stove that is on the back of the iPhone 11, I still wanted it. So I went out and purchased it, and I don't regret it at all. I do actually recommend the midnight green though, because I wasn't going to get this. I was going to get the gold so that it could match my Apple Watch video. But as soon as I walked into the store and picked up this color, I knew that I had to have it. So I ended up with this. Now, what would be sick if they made this color in the Apple Watch? I would sell this thing in a heartbeat and I would get the matching Apple Watch. So I'm really hoping that maybe they'll do something like that next year for the Series 6. Because I will upgrade for that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I want you to like this video and put a comment down below. I want to know what you think about the iPhone 11, and is there a feature that you think is noteworthy for any upcoming videos that I'm going to do with this phone. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. All my social media links are in the description box below. Stay tuned for more Tech Tuesdays. I love all of you guys. Bye.